Hello Earthlings. Hello Earthling. Hello people of the Earth. What's up and good day. Hello and welcome back. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Now I have a, you can see it under here too. I've put on a FPV camera. Just like the Dromeda. I have a FPV camera on. So, and here's my FPV Dromeda, homemade. Here we have the Traxxas E-Revo 1/16 VXL brushless with a FPV camera. You can see how I bent the antenna. So I bent the antenna to get it a little less height, and on the Dromeda is pretty much the same. There you see the lightning, there you see the box for the camera. This is also sealed, but yeah. So the Dromeda has one TX03. No, maybe this is one is to 100, and you can change it down to like 100 and 150. And on the one on the Traxxas is a TX02. That's also 200 milliwatts, but this one you can't change down. So it's a 4.3 inch screen, I think. Can do like 40 channels. You get 2 antennas. There's no DVR, so you can't record anything. But you can choose between the menu here to get the brightness and contrast and everything like that, and change the channel. So I really like this one. Installation on the body, because it ruins the body, but still this is my bashing body. It's been bashed so much, it's so scratched up and everything, so maybe if I can just stand you right here. So don't fall. No, don't fall, don't fall. Oh. Sorry. Start to glue, glue, glue. Yes, I start to glue. I like to glue. Be careful if you're doing this at home. I'm gonna put a battery in it so you guys can see. We just turn off the glue gun. I always forget that one. Maybe back here to even out the weight. Turning back the light on. This cord is just to pull it out. Can show in this camera. It's just cut off. Shine VR006. I actually put the FPV in a camera battery inside of here. The blue light means it's on, like so. I only use 2 right now. Good, it's good, it's good. And there you have it. So right now you can just start into... Oh, that was the kitten's food. Sorry kitten, turn your head. But you know, it doesn't change the camera view. I'm in the washing room, where we wash our clothes. And now I'm behind the washer. That's crazy. That's crazy. I think I'm going to get the hell out of here. Oh, there's obstacles in the way. So now I'm coming up right behind me. So,